Hello and welcome to Bio 121 online for the fall of 2020. My name is Suzanne Marsh and I will be your instructor for this course. When you log on to the course from D2L, the very first thing that you're going to see is your announcements page. It is important that you log on early within each week in order to read your weekly announcements, as this is where I will post unit information as well as any changes that will occur throughout the course. Once you have done that, you want to come up here and click on your content link. This is where all of your course materials are going to live. For the first week, I want you to click on your Getting Started tab here. And when we do that, we see a drop-down menu that contains important materials that pertain to the course. Once you have gone through these materials, I would like you to take this Getting Started quiz. This Getting Started quiz simply contains 10 questions that pertain to these materials. As we move down a little bit more, we see that we have instructor information. So let's go ahead and click here. When we look at this link here, we see a little bit of information about me, but also, more importantly, my contact information. So here is my email address and then my office hours. As you see, I have office hours on Mondays and Wednesdays, but also some evening hours. If these hours do not work for you, please do not hesitate to contact me. I will tell you a little secret. I love tutoring. So if you are looking for individual tutoring, I am available. All you have to do is just email me and set up a time. As we move down a little bit further here, we see our course schedule. And our course schedule looks much like what we have for our traditional lecture schedule. So let's take a look at this very first week here. On August 31st, we start with our chapter 19 and chapter 22. So that is blood, lymph, and immunity. So that's our lecture topic. And then we have our lab exercises, which most often will pertain directly to our lecture topic. And then here is our date for when our assignments are due. We start on August 31st and we will end on December 6th. So each category in here pertains to the specific units that we will cover. When you're looking for the information for the unit, for what you're supposed to be doing, you want to come down here and you want to click on the tab that pertains to the week that we are in. So let's go ahead and click on this tab here. And as we see, we start with our lecture. Now, as you see here, what I have done is I've laid this out specifically for you on this side to match what is over here. All right. So for lecture, we're going to have some readings and some videos and then some assignments to complete. So when we click on the read, watch, and review, these are the non-graded assignments. So these are the things that I'm expecting you to read and to watch and to review before you complete your actual assignments. So this contains your PowerPoints and your videos, as well as some review questions that pertain directly to the information that we are learning. Once you are comfortable with everything that is in Read, Watch, and Review, you want to come down to your Assignments tab here, and you want to begin your assignments. Now, for this week, you'll notice that the blood and immunity exam is not yet posted because that is not until next week. But what I am asking that you do is complete 2 Edpuzzle assignments. So in order to complete your Edpuzzle assignments, you have to first sign on to Edpuzzle. Right. So let's go ahead and click here. And this is the link that is going to allow you to join into our course. So we will have Edpuzzles throughout the entire course. And every time that you log in, you will log in here, and I will be able to take a look at your completed assignments once you have finished them. As we move down a little bit further within week 1, we're going to see our week 1 lab tab. Now, when you click on this initial tab each week, you're going to see what is expected for lab for this week and when it is due. So lab is due at the end of the week, 9/6, which is Sunday, by 11:59, as well as all of your other assignments. So this is the information that you will need here in order to complete your lab work. That being said, if you have any questions, once again, please do not hesitate to email me. I am looking forward to working with you throughout the semester and looking forward to meeting you on Zoom on Monday. Take care.